disable the Google Assistant in your mobile phone. Tap to the Settings and next find Google Services. After that, find Settings for Google Apps. Next, choose Search Assistant and Voice. Then select Google Assistant and in Popular Settings, tap Get hands-free help from your assistant. And here disable this function. If you want to disable Google Assistant completely, then tap to the Settings again, choose Google Services, find Settings for Google Apps, then select Search Assistant and Voice, then choose Google Assistant and here swipe down. And find General Settings. Manage General Settings for your assistant. Tap it and we see that our Google Assistant is enabled and we can disable it. Turn off Google Assistant. Yes, turn off it completely.